Welcome to the Ultimate Scientist Guessing Game. See if you can identify these brilliant minds and legendary inventors who changed our world forever. Who is this famous scientist, known for his equation E equals mc squared and his wild hair? Is it A, Albert Einstein, B, Isaac Newton, or C, Thomas Edison? It's A, Albert Einstein. He had iconic messy hair. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, famous for studying radioactivity? Is it A, Jane Goodall, B, Marie Curie, or C, Rosalind Franklin? It's B, Marie Curie. She pioneered research on radioactivity. Which scientist discovered gravity after watching an apple fall from a tree? Is it A, Galileo Galilei, B, Charles Darwin, or C, Isaac Newton? It's C, Isaac Newton. He discovered gravity from falling apples. Which scientist used his telescope to prove that the Earth orbits the Sun? Is it A, Galileo Galilei, B, Nikola Tesla, or C, Stephen Hawking? It's A, Galileo Galilei. He proved Earth orbits the Sun. Which scientist is famous for living wild in Africa to study chimpanzees? Is it A, Marie Curie, B, Jane Goodall, or C, Sally Ride? It's B, Jane Goodall. She lived with wild chimpanzees. Which famous inventor successfully created the first practical incandescent light bulb? Is it A, Alexander Graham Bell, B, Benjamin Franklin, or C, Thomas Edison? It's C, Thomas Edison. He patented the practical light bulb. Which scientist traveled on a ship called the HMS Beagle to study rare animals? Is it A, Charles Darwin, B, Louis Pasteur, or C, Gregor Mendel? It's A, Charles Darwin. His voyage led to evolution theory. Which brilliant inventor is famous for his work with alternating current electricity? Is it A, Benjamin Franklin, B, Nikola Tesla, or C, Michael Faraday? It's B, Nikola Tesla. He designed our AC power system. Which famous physicist wrote the best-selling book, A Brief History of Time? Is it A, Stephen Hawking, B, Albert Einstein, or C, Carl Sagan? It's A, Stephen Hawking. He explained complex space science. Which inventor successfully patented the very first electric telephone? Is it A, Samuel Morse, B, Thomas Edison, or C, Alexander Graham Bell? It's C, Alexander Graham Bell. He patented the first telephone. Which scientist invented a heating process to make milk safe to drink? Is it A, Louis Pasteur, B, Edward Jenner, or C, Alexander Fleming? It's A, Louis Pasteur. He invented pasteurization to kill bacteria. Who is celebrated today as the world's very first computer programmer? Is it A, Grace Hopper, B, Ada Lovelace, or C, Katherine Johnson? It's B, Ada Lovelace. She wrote the first machine algorithm. Which inventor flew a kite in a thunderstorm to prove that lightning is electricity? Is it A, Thomas Edison, B, Alessandro Volta, or C, Benjamin Franklin? It's C, Benjamin Franklin. He proved lightning is electricity. Which agricultural scientist discovered over 300 different uses for peanuts? Is it A, George Washington Carver, B, Gregor Mendel, or C, Luther Burbank? It's A, George Washington Carver. He created peanut-based products. Which scientist accidentally discovered the life-saving antibiotic penicillin? Is it A. Jonas Salk, B. Alexander Fleming, or C. Louis Pasteur? It's B. Alexander Fleming. He discovered penicillin from mold. Whose crucial X-ray photograph helped researchers discover the double helix shape of DNA? Is it A. Rosalind Franklin, B. Dorothy Hodgkin, or C. Marie Curie? It's A. Rosalind Franklin. Her X-rays revealed DNA's shape. Which monk became the father of modern genetics by studying pea plants? Is it A. Gregor Mendel, B. Charles Darwin, or C. Louis Pasteur? It's A. Gregor Mendel. He discovered genetic inheritance laws. Which NASA mathematician's calculations guided the first Americans safely into orbit? Is it A. Margaret Hamilton, B. Dorothy Vaughan, or C. Katherine Johnson? It's C. Katherine Johnson. She calculated key space flights. Which marine biologist wrote the book Silent Spring to launch the modern environmental movement? Is it A. Rachel Carson, B. Sylvia Earle, or C. Jane Goodall? It's A. Rachel Carson. She warned about chemical pesticides. Which English doctor created the world's very first vaccine to fight smallpox? Is it A. Edward Jenner, B. Jonas Salk, or C. Louis Pasteur? It's A. Edward Jenner. He created the smallpox vaccine. Which chemist organized chemical elements into the first periodic table? Is it A. Antoine Lavoisier, B. Dmitri Mendeleev, or C. John Dalton? It's B. Dmitri Mendeleev. He created the periodic table. Which physicist built the first electric motor and generator using magnets and wire? Is it A. Michael Faraday, B. Heinrich Hertz, or C. James Clerk Maxwell? It's A. Michael Faraday. He invented the electric motor. Who was the first woman to discover a comet and get paid by a king for her work? Is it A. Maria Mitchell, B. Caroline Herschel, or C. Henrietta Swan Leavitt? It's B. Caroline Herschel. She discovered 8 new comets. Which scientist chose not to patent his polio vaccine so it would be free for everyone? Is it A. Alexander Fleming, B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Jonas Salk? It's C. Jonas Salk. He kept his vaccine patent-free. Which computer scientist popularized debugging after finding a real moth stuck inside a computer? Is it A. Ada Lovelace, B. Grace Hopper, or C. Margaret Hamilton? It's B. Grace Hopper. She found a real computer bug. Which physicist discovered the atomic nucleus, earning him the title Father of Nuclear Physics? Is it A. Ernest Rutherford, B. Niels Bohr, or C. J.J. Thomson? It's A. Ernest Rutherford. He discovered the atomic nucleus. Which legendary fossil hunter discovered the very first complete ichthyosaur skeleton? Is it A. Mary Anning, B. Elizabeth Blackwell, or C. Florence Nightingale? It's A. Mary Anning. She found it at age 12. Which astrophysicist calculated the maximum mass a star can have before collapsing into a black hole? Is it A. Carl Sagan, B. Edwin Hubble, or C. Subramanian Chandrasekhar? It's C. Subramanian Chandrasekhar. He proved stars collapse. How many geniuses did you recognize? Tell us your score in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.